Okay. The time and date are, let's see, 4/18, Wednesday, March 15th. And in the past 2 weekends, essentially, the line's been shut down in this area for a new substation installation at Prince's Bay. And they've been using this time to finish the contract of ⁶ Station, which includes the demolition of Nassau and Atlantic. So let's have a look. The platform for the northbound trains is apparently entirely gone. The canopies are all gone, and the fences alongside the southbound platform here at Nassau are also gone. So let's go up to this overpass, which still remains and still looks terrible, and see what's going on here. So I'm gonna clean this overpass. Oh, so it appears that the platform's not entirely gone. There's a part here. However, you can see that the formerly used part of the platform is gone. Let's see what else is going on over here. These used to be the stairs, and they still are technically, that led to the southbound platform, which still exists, but you can fairly clearly see that the fences are gone. If you look over here, that's ⁶ over there. And you can see that they put up a new painted sign here and a little fence to block you off from trespassing down there. Now, and you can see that they dumped the remnants that are currently under the snow of the old canopy right there. There used to be a spur track here. So you can see again what they've done to the northbound platform and the southbound one. So let's keep going this way. The overpass appears to be completely untouched. I've heard that that's because the Department of Transportation is the true owner of it, not the MTA. I cannot confirm or deny that. But it does appear that all demolition efforts have been focused solely on the former station and not the overpass itself. This is pretty much as it was back when the station's closed, and this is the same as well. And you can't really see anything from here that you can already have seen. Alright, so I will see you at Atlantic. And we're at Atlantic. Let's see what's going on here. Somebody's taken the effort to salt these stairs, or it just could be the salt from the last 3 snowfalls. Danger, construction site, no trespassing. So they've removed the little shelter that used to be here, and they've removed most of the fence going on this platform. If you look down here, this is pretty much unchanged. However, the other platform is mostly gone. It's just missing. Let's go upstairs and see what's going on from above. Yeah, this looks like fresh salt. Okay, so not much has changed in this direction. ⁶ is still that way. But from here, you can see that where that signal used to be, the platform used to end there. You can see it on the other side. So they've removed most of the fence. There's just this little bit here. And they removed most of this platform. Again, as with Nassau, the overpass is untouched. So it appears that the overpass is not part of their demolition project. You can see a little better from here how the platform still exists, but not as canopy or fence. And over here, the canopy is just plain gone. Last time I was here, it was intact. And most of the platform's gone as well. Platform used to go to where that signal was. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. In the upcoming weekends, they'll probably keep removing more and more of this until eventually just the overpass is left, and I don't know what they're going to do with the overpasses. But if we do come down here to the exit onto Arthur Hill Road, everything's pretty much the same as it was when the station closed. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.